Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat media upload issue. So the first step you need to follow is to open Snapchat and click on app info. So once you are here, you simply need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and you need to allow all permissions from here. Once you complete that, you need to go back and you need to open Play Store and you need to search for the Snapchat like this. Click here and update your Snapchat. As you can see, my Snapchat is up to date. Then you need to restart your smartphone and try to upload media, and after that your issue got resolved in the Snapchat. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.